In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel conditional formatting to highlight numbers that meet or fall below a certain value. Basically, cell value that is less than or equal to a certain value. So I'm going to highlight over here all the numbers that are less than 70. First, you need to select all the cells, then go to conditional formatting, then highlight cells, then more rules, and then click on format only cells. Then pick over here, you have to pick less than or equal to, and then make sure it's cell value, and then I'm gonna pick 70, and then of course you can pick your corresponding values. Then I'm gonna format this to green, click OK, and that's pretty much it. This will highlight all the values that are less than or equal to 70. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.